Making a filterable gallery is way more convenient than setting up separate image section for each category. With the Pro Gallery plugin by Divi extension, you can quickly add a filterable and keep everything neat and easy to browse. In the next few minutes, we will make a simple filterable gallery by doing and showing where to add image title, captions, description, tags, and links, module settings and options, feature as well the lightbox. How exactly does the filterable work with tags? And finally, we will do some style to our gallery. Let's jump into the main procedure. After installing the Divi Pro Gallery plugin, you should upload images to your WordPress media library. After adding images to your WordPress media library, if you click any of the images, as you can see here, we have added each image, title, caption, description, and you will discover a new field which is called tags. And you can add single or multiple tags, and you have to add it. Without tags, the filter bar will not work. Now we are adding the module, and let's discover the settings, options, and its features. We are adding the filterable gallery module, and from the general toggle, click the add gallery images and select images and click select. As you can see here that our image has appeared. And one thing we should mention, that image quality in here way too more low. To fix that, from the general toggle, as you can see here, there is an options image size. If you select the medium or medium large, that our image quality fixed. Now let's discover this module's settings option and feature as well the lightbox. Starting from the general tab, you already show about the image size option. And interesting thing is, this filterable gallery has multiple layout support as well as grid and masonry. We want to keep it the grid. And from the here, you can customize the responsive option for the desktop, tablet, and phone. I want to keep the default one. And spacing, this one is the spacing here, and you can increase or reduction it. Click the lightbox and link. What does it refers to? It refers when a user click on the image, what happened. If you select no link, there will no happen. If you select media file, then it will redirect through the media library file. And if you select this option, it will bring to the attachment page. And if you select this one, custom links, it will bring through the link. In which link? If you click image here, as you can see here, there is an option which is called link. If you add this link, bring to this specific link. It will best practice for the image redirection. I want to select the zoom, gallery, slideshow. These three options. Or I can select all of this. On the demonstration, I will show how this lightbox exactly work. And click the filter bar, and you can hide and enable the filter bar. And also you can hide this all filter, and you can customize the all text to the all photos or anything else. I want to just keep it short, so I'm writing here all pick. Okay, caption, you can hide the caption or you can show the caption. And you can also hide the description and enable the description. I want to keep the description hidden. And it is time to explain you that how exactly this filter works. Let's jump into the general tab and go the images. As you can see here on the tags field, I have had two tags for these images, mountain and lake. And there are several images and we have selected single or multiple tags. On the filter bar, expect this one, all the tags will be appear as the filter item. When a user click, see or review that image which those are associated with river, those will appear here. Just save it and exit the visual builder. Let me show you how it works. Click sea, as you can see here, all the sea, oceans, river, all the river, lake, all the image which is associated with the lake tags, mountain, all the images with the mountain tags, and all pick. This is not tags, this is our option. That, as you can see here, all our image has been appeared. Now it is time to style our filterable gallery. Let's click the design, go to the overlay, and select the overlay color black, and make the opacity level between 0.4 to 0.6. I'm selecting here 0.4. Click the image and make the image rounded corner 2 pixels. Go to the caption text and make the text color white. Also this one description white. Go to the filter bar and make the background color a gray-like color, and make the active background color black, and the filter bar text normal text color, not the activated on, this one, and active color make it white. Again, go to the filter bar and make the rounded corner 5 pixels. Now save it and exit the visual builder. When we clicking the mountain, all mountain appear, lake, forest, river, sea, and all pick. If we click the images, what happened? It will open in the lightbox, and here is the several option. You can download it, you can see the full screen, you can slideshow it, or you can share it on the social media. And this is the exit button of the lightbox. That's how simply and easily you can add a filterable gallery to your Divi website using the Divi extensions Divi Pro Gallery plugin. Just like the Pro Gallery plugin, the Divi Instagram feed, Google reviews, and Contact from 7, Styler are some of our key mentionable plugins you should not miss out. For showcasing Instagram posts, authentic reviews from Google Maps, and styling Contact from 7, these 3 plugins are some of the best options for Divi.